Oh my god. Reminds me of something like at Rocky Point. Wow, you really can't tell which way to go, huh?
Hello!
Woo! Hi! Oh, okay, I get to choose my way?
Yes, there are multiple ways to go.
And this is you have fingerprints all over these, right? Oh, there it is open. I thought that was a wall.
It messes you up.
Yeah, like spatially. Now see, this looks like a wall, but it's not. It looks like a solid, but that looks like open. Oh, it is a wall. All right, see, it worked. If you were testing it, it worked. All right. That's an opening. Woo! Is there any wrong way?
Yeah, right in there.
Yeah? Oh.
I got messed up on this one.
Oh, wow.
You hit the dead end.
Yeah, wow. But it really is misleading because what I thought was a solid wall was an opening. This is the most awesome part. I'm sorry. This is the coolest part. I think the lighting will be cool with other people in it. The light tunnel. Wow. Now what if people just keep going and going and going and they never come out? Oh. Did you ever get lost in here? Ooh. Woo! So cool.